We're getting a sense of how equities have performed. What's the situation on the fixed income side?
Yeah, good afternoon. We have seen a decline in price in fixed income market, and that has been since the March 22 when MPC rate has been increased from 6.5 to 7.5. So there has been, in the fixed income market, there has been a decline in prices, and we could see like the 3-year bond that is trading at a yield of 10 has moved to 12%. That's about 200 basis point increase.
Right. Okay, let's talk about the yield curve and how much further we're likely to see the yields spiking. Are they responding purely to the political situation in Nigeria, or are there other factors at play?
Actually, apart from the MPC rate hike, you could see that the liquidity in the system also have played a major role in this hike. The tightening of the CBN, the monetary policy, the contraction monetary policy by CBN has also affected the market. You could see that the CBN has been issuing OMO bills on a weekly basis, and as well also the FX sales from the CBN and oil majors, the multinationals has also affected this. Then the player sentiment also, it's one thing that has been affecting the market to make the decline also in bond prices.
What sort of trends are we likely to see in the coming week? I mean, a lot of political risk seems to have been factored in, but, you know, internationally, people are worried about these elections that have been postponed.
The election being postponed is not going to affect the market anymore, because the prices, we could see a trend that the prices will continue to drop. And actually, like I said earlier, like I stated earlier, you could see that it was due to the, apart from the MPC, the player sentiment is that there will still be an upward movement in rate.
AMCON and their role in the market, you know, the exchange of consideration bonds for tradable bonds, that's supposed to start happening tomorrow. Firstly, just tell us how that works. Explain that to me.
Okay, the 1.7 trillion will be issued by AMCON. Out of the 1.7 that will be issued, 1.15 will be swapped by the consideration bond, and then the balance of the 520 will be issued to buy the MPLs of other banks, and then 30 billion, which is going to be issued for cash, and as well as to be a spy discovery bond, and as well as also to, this will be served as a working capital as well for AMCON.
So 1.7 trillion naira to be issued in tradable bonds. What's the potential impact of such a large figure on the fixed income side?
In the short run, we will definitely see a slight volatility, but in the long run, the volatility is going to be even out.